case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the 1993 Arizona Court of Appeals case, Rainwater v. Rainwater, a divorced couple, Sam and Barbara Rainwater, disagreed over the duration and amount of spousal maintenance. Sam wanted a finite amount of maintenance, while Barbara requested indefinite maintenance until her death or remarriage. The trial focused on determining the appropriate spousal maintenance for Barbara, based on factors such as her contributions to the family and the couple's standard of living. The trial court concluded that Barbara deserved indefinite spousal maintenance due to her contributions to the family and the substantial increase in Sam's income after earning his degree. The court found that Sam's argument didn't consider vital factors when awarding spousal maintenance. On appeal, the court upheld the trial court's decision, emphasizing that maintenance depends on the paying spouse's ability to meet both parties' needs and is not automatic. It ruled that factors such as the couple's standard of living, their contributions to each other's careers, and their ability to contribute to their children's education should be considered. The court acknowledged that spousal maintenance awards can be modified upon significant changes in circumstances.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.